We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Band efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Band feature, which is designed to help you organize and manage your collaborative projects seamlessly. You'll find it under the Tools section in the sidebar. Click on Band to open it. Here, you can create a new band by clicking the Create Band button, which allows you to set up a dedicated space for your project. Name the band and add a brief description to define its purpose. Next, invite team members by entering their email addresses. This way, everyone can contribute and stay updated. You can also assign roles to each member to define their responsibilities. Within your band, you can add files by simply dragging and dropping them or by clicking the Upload button. Organize these files into folders for easy access. Use the Tasks feature to create to-do lists and assign tasks to specific members to ensure everyone knows what they need to do. You can set deadlines and add comments to tasks for more context. The Notes section allows you to jot down ideas or meeting minutes, keeping everything in one place. Make sure to check notifications regularly to stay informed about updates or comments from your team. With Dropbox Band, you can streamline your project's workflow and enhance collaboration among team members. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.